Yeah, I think we all died. That's not a bad one. If we're all on the end there, we're just constantly shooting, isn't you?
Where are you at, guys? I can't see you.
We're in the station, we're coming down.
Ah, that
Hello.
makes sense.
Hello.
The fuck? Oh.
Meadows waiting outside with helicopter. Oh shit, we've got action at the top of the stairs.
Yeah, there's a few cops coming in.
It's because Ash or Trey shot people.
What? Oh yeah, I shot some guy.
Yeah, exactly. So the cops spawned on us.
How many can you get in that helicopter, Meadow?
Well,
Four.
in that one, I
Got
think
the four in.
that's it. I'm not sure.
Right, take them up to the top of a building, then come get me.
Which building? That one.
A really high one.
A really high one. Well, I can get them to the highest one.
Anybody still here? I'm downstairs.
Wait.
Yeah,
I'll
we're-
get
we're here.
everybody to the highest one then.
Give me another.
Unless cops shoot us first. Right, get up, get up, get up.
Drake, they're shooting you from your right.
Can I land here safely? Okay.
No, you might want to land just behind us.
Alright, landing behind you.
Land where I am now. Guys, to me. Let's go, quick.
Where are you?
Get in the helicopter.
Oh, sunk there.
Go, go, go. We'll come back for you guys.
Yeah, screw you.